How are we all doing? I hope we're all having a great start to the week. It's a nice calm day in the woodlands today. Fire needs a bit of fuel though, so let's just feed the fire. There we go. Get a few more logs on there. Good to see you here. Hope you're doing well. It's a point and click escape room from the early 2000s. Ooh, it's been remade. Nice. Yeah, say that's going back a bit. What, 23 years old? Nice. Sorry, Hep, but that's what it's there for. Although feel free to keep chopping it up. See if you manage to get that pile up. You've filled it up for a few times before now. No reason why you can't do it again. Getting that proper arm workout. Okay, so let's start the music and going to a proper scene today. Oh boy. No thunder? No, it's nice and calm in the woodlands today. So, we were going to be doing some Neverwinter Nights, but unfortunately Liminal's had some stuff come up, so they've not been able to make it. So we'll be carrying on with that, or say carrying on, we'll be starting that next week instead. So for now we're going to do something a little different. Done a couple of these, we're just going to be doing a chill coding stream. We got the music going, although the music might be a little loud, so let us know if the music needs turning down a touch. I'm going to be showing you what I've been working on for a new mini game for the stream. It's going to be a short while before this comes out, but basically it's going to mean everyone gets their own characters that they can fight monsters and such with. A very basic little thing, but we'll like build it up and stuff like that, have a bit of fun with it. And the good news? Oh, was that a game remake not the good news? Oh, hey, congrats, hey! I was accepted to do the Dutch translation. Nice job! Congrats, man. Let us know when the game comes out. I hope it goes well. Oh, nice. Are you getting paid for that as like a voice acting gig? Or is it more of a volunteer thing? Anyway, so while it gets back to us about that, we have our little program. So this here is Lakeia and all the stuff, all the wonderful stuff she does. However, the actual mini game is going to be a separate application, which you can see, not much to it at the moment. And Lakeia calls this from command line. It still needs some work, but the base thing itself is here. So let's see. Got characters. We've just got my account as an example, or my other account as an example here. Really basic stuff. Really basic stuff. If good before the end of the year, it's volunteer on my part. That's fair. Hey, good experience though, at least. Good experience. Wait, before the end of the year? That's not far away, that. There's what, 3 months left? Damn. That's gonna be quick. How many days of effort do you reckon it's gonna be for you? So yeah, there's our characters, and here's all the monsters you can fight. At the moment, these are just the weak monsters, 20 odd of those. I need to make more monsters. We got a ticket on the Git board to handle that, but we'll get to that. That's not the one I'm going to be doing today, so, or maybe today, but it's not the first one. These are going to be the tickets that I want to start with first. Second time I contribute to the remake. Nice. What was the first contribution you made? Anything special there? Let's see. Did I forget to post about this to Twitter? Well, never mind. Right, let's see. So, first one, Lakeia character sheet. That one's actually blocked. Oh, wait, is it? No. No, that's not blocked yet. Now that could still be. Oh, fuck. That's going to change tab. Okay, never mind. That's not blocked, but I don't want to do that one. Don't want to do those yet. Lakeia needs to be able to actually run the battle simulator, so that's one thing. Yeah, okay. That's going to be a slightly bigger one, but I think that's going to have to be the one we start with. So let's assign this to myself and get a branch made so we can sort this out. I already did the items and the menu stuff. I'm now off to work on the lore notes. Nice. Like I said, how long does this take you to get it all done? How big's the game? What was I doing? Create a branch. Open GitHub locally. There we go. Right. Close that. We got our branch. So yeah, we are actually going to be working in Lakeia for this first bit. Okay, that's going to be fun. When she builds, she should be moving it across to... Where am I going? Give me a second. Visual Studio. Stream Assistant. Right. When you build, you should be moving the battle into your output. Let's give this a second. Okay, that's built. Hey, there we go. Yep, that's moving it in. And it's got all the monsters we need. Oh, answer to tick file opens in the right place. Awesome. The first was when the program did a stream on YouTube of remaking the second chapter. Oh, okay. The lore owner of the lighthouse has a cat, and there was a lot of wood. If I work on, probably tonight, more realistic tomorrow. That's fair. So like a day and a half, maybe 2 days of effort then. Not bad. That's nice. Let us know how it goes, man. Feel free to post like, oh, well, okay, obviously if you're not locked behind an NDA or the developers haven't asked you not to, but if you can share some of it in the Discord, feel free to share some in there. Right, okay, so the Battle Simulator is included in the build files. I got that going the other night, so we don't want that right now. Well, we might need that in a bit, but not right now. Right, I have our normal version of Lakeia up and running, so I don't want this build to be doing that. So I'm gonna temporarily comment those out so that our development version isn't connecting to Twitch or OBS, because we don't need that. We don't need that. And if it throws errors, then I will deal with it. Oh, it'll just output them to log, and then the logs will get deleted. Okay, that's fine. So where are we gonna want this? We're gonna need new objects for this, aren't we? It's gonna be in Pro. I really need to do some refactoring. We got a bit of technical debt. I need to fix it up. It's not gonna be in commands. It's gonna end up being its own. Huh. Okay, yeah, we'll put a new folder in here. No, that's not what I wanted. New folder in here. Add folder. Battle Simulator. And then in there, we'll go Battle Manager. Oh, cool. Battle Manager. Have it all as one. There we go. Add that. Here we go. Now we've got that. So where are we gonna want this? I did have a plan in my head for where all of this was gonna go, and I have subsequently forgotten that plan. This one. See, this is another reason why I should really draw up designs. One, so I know what I'm doing. But also two, because I can actually like show you guys the design and that on stream, so that some of this makes a little more sense. Actually, that's something for me to consider doing. Would that be good to do on stream? Would people be interested in me drawing some UML and some data flow diagrams on stream? I don't know if it'd mean much to most people though. Okay, thanks, Het. I'll take a look at that later on. So, what am I doing? Ah, yes. So this is probably going to want to be done in the outputs. Outputs. Not that. That's processing. This one. So here we go. We got private random. Why have we got? Oh yeah, I know why we got private random. Okay. So input. We're gonna want to make a new private. No, we won't make this a static object elsewhere. No, we'll keep it here. Unless, hang on. Give me a second to think. Whereas is going to need access to this? No, only event outputs, because it's going to be an output event that is then going to need to call event input, but we can pass in the event input because we've got it in the constructor here. Okay, that's fine. Battle manager, battle manager. There we go. Oh, OBS have a bit of a freak out with the chat there. Not entirely sure what it is. I think it's been the last time since I updated OBS. Have to keep an eye out for a new version of OBS and see if it works any better, because it's certainly not had any major issues, but a couple of minor freaks, specifically with the Twitch chat. Doesn't always seem to stay connected. Anyway, so what are we doing? We're going to want this dot battle manager equals new battle manager. That is going to want the event input. So handle events, that one's there, and then we're going to want that. This thing is going to want a constructor, public battle manager. There we go. And this is going to want that event input object. Helps if I spell input right. Input. Okay, let's get rid of that lot. We're not using those. We're gonna want to create a reference point for this. No, not that one. Event input. Input. Okay, in fact, let's call that event input just to be specific. Event input. No getting it confused then. And this dot event input equals event input, so we have our reference for it to be able to bring events back through. And what exactly is it this ticket's needing to do? So we need to be able to run the battle simulator with the given input, which is going to be it's going to be ran from a redeems. So we're going to want to have I done this in the right, hang on, am I doing this the right way? I think no, that's gonna want, I've defined it in the wrong place. It doesn't want to be there. It's gonna want to be part of Lakaya Twitch. Okay, yeah, no, doing this in the wrong place. Right, that one to stay as it is. It's this. That doesn't want to be in outputs. That does not want to be in outputs at all. It wants to be in inputs, which makes things quite easy actually. Okay. But is it here? No. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, hang on. I might have. This isn't an input. It's going to be an output that will give a new input. This is why I should write up those designs. I'm also going to open a window because it's a tad warm in here. Oh, look at that sunset. Sorry, I'm getting very easily distracted now. Beautiful sunset outside. Let's see. So we are not going here. This is not a source. It's an output. So we might still want it in output. So let's look at event processor. Processor might be better, actually, because at the moment that's only going to our output object, but that's going to have a lot of things to go for it. But then again, output keeps it uniform. So yeah, you know what? We'll keep it here. We will keep it here then. Private battle manager, and then we're gonna want to do this dot battle manager equals new battle manager, and we're going to want to pass in handle events so that we have that reference. And so this will allow us to feed the output from our battles back into our events object so that they can be processed. This means we'll be able to fire off the results back to Twitch messages, or further down the line when I get Discord integration, stuff like that going, we'll be able to send them back into Discord as well. Mouthful of water. Okay, so we've got this. Output objects. It's probably going to be easiest if this handles all its own processes as opposed to events output trying to handle it all. Probably, yeah. Which raises the question why it needs to be an events output at all. It could just go straight in here. But then again, this is going to be moved later on anyway, so no, we'll leave it in here for now. And we'll just have comment function to all battle manager. Okay. Public void what are we doing? Battle event. Don't know what we're passing into this yet. This is going to need a few different things. What's it going to need? It's going to need the type of event. So if you're fighting a weak monster, normal monster, a hard monster, it's going to need your account number, and it's going to need your account name. So that's 3 events. Okay, yeah. Also, this music's kind of vibey, isn't it? Anyway, so string battle.
Into trouble like a rubble, but I came, see the flame shine bright. They were puzzled how I'm saved. I could never serve the passion or the fire or the man off a sight how I am. Ain't nobody asking, I'll be basking in my liberty, cause slavery is real. Doesn't mean the shackles gotta be.
I can't remember if account number is actually string or if it does come through as a number, but we'll find that out in a bit. Okay, so I'll add this in here. So battle manager.
The influence was heavy, all the faults even mine. They were still persuading like I'm leading a dime. And my people ain't be dying over gold in the mines.
So we're gonna need to add a new event goal.
I'm still numb to the trauma I
couldn't
tell if my joy was out of love or what would hold me when I needed me a hug. That's the realest. Yeah, that's the closest thing to feeling. It's the only thing we're feeling. Trying to get me closer to the Lord, cause maybe He can open up some doors while these words get to show you all my flaws.
Oh wait, no,
there's
not that
poetry
one.
and pain, blessing in the chain, pictures I could paint. Yeah, poetry and pain, blessings in the chain, pictures I could paint.
Event target, here we go. So we're going to need to add an event target, because now we have a new target our events can hit. Oh, bladed, really? Mustache, oh, and booping as well. Wasn't enough to make me wear this horrible thing, was it? Damn boopage. How are you doing anyway, buddy? Okay, you can stop booping now. You can stop booping now. You can stop booping now. Lakea, what? Holy shit, what the fuck? Oh, Lakea is dying. Hang on. Let me just, resetter. Lakea. Come on. Sort your shit out. Okay, is that not in this one, or did I use that command wrong? Okay, no. That just not seemed to be going. Okay, wonderful. Good job, Lakea. You had one job. Oh, vibing. It's a decent day. Hey, that's what we like to hear, buddy. Glad you're doing well. Lots of games to play. People want to play and talk to me too. Awesome. It's always nice to be included, isn't it? Like, it doesn't need to be lots of people, I've found. Just having like 2 or 3 people want to have you around and want to play games with you makes all the difference. Honestly, all the difference. If you ever want to use the stream server or anything like that and get people to have games in there, you're more than welcome to, buddy. But glad you're doing well. Anyway, so, yeah, I don't know why Lakea is not, okay, maybe the terminal, is the terminal reset not in this version? Hang on, Lakea replace Battle Simulator, oh, okay, it's not in the deployed version yet. That's why I was trying to do something that's not in that version. Sorry, Lakea, that's my bad. Anyway, so let's add a new one of these. Battle Simulator. Simulator. Let's make sure I spell it right this time. Seeing as I fucking well spelt it wrong in the fucking project name. You stupid bastard of a wolf. Well, I realised that I was less than happy with myself, but it's such a pain in the ass to try and rename projects that, well, I've tried it and I broke it, so it's like, nah, let's not. I'm happy enough just chatting with someone DMs for a few hours, or one-on-one on a call. Yeah, it's just nice to have a chat, isn't it? Decent chunk of stuff going on for now though, with games like Friends v Friends and Party Animals. I've got a fair bit of options with people. Yeah, there seems to be some good games coming out at the moment as well, which kind of helps as well, doesn't it? She's finally got the one up on you. Oh god, yeah, no, I suspect that's going to happen a lot more later. Look, we're constantly trying to one-up each other, okay? Constantly trying... What's a friendship without trying to show each other up, eh? He says knowing full well that that's never going to end well. So below base camp, we want to add this in now. Battle Simulator. Yep, I've spelled that right. Event target dot Battle Simulator. There we go. Oh bollocks! I didn't mean to change scene. How did that change scene? Oh fuck! Okay, that's gonna be a problem. Okay, I've just realised that one of my buttons for important characters changes scenes. Yeah, this button, that's the button I use to change to Tim's point of view in my OBS, and I can't change hotkeys without stopping the stream. Fuck! Ah, well, never mind, we'll just have to deal with. And this is why I need the Stream Deck. Like, every time I moan about this on stream, it's not me just being lazy. It is genuinely my shit. I just need more options for macros. Oh well, we'll bear with. Okay. I'm already using the numpad as well, Bladed. The numpad is what does most of my scene changes, so things like this one, the starting soon, my game solo, this one, and my thanks for watching are all on my numpad. I also have like my mic to mute and unmute, and a couple of others on this one. So I also have for duration of September, because we have press-ups as to go, I even set up my camera so that I can enable my camera, he says, with the camera not turning on. Why is the camera not turning on? There we go! Now the camera's turning on. I was pressing the wrong button. Fuck! There we go. Nice little shot of Materies in real life there. Oh fuck, that's been... You can even see proof that it's on the keypad. You can see where the numbers are being typed. Right, fix that up. Hello to you too. Bye. I set that up just for the press ups. So there we go. Right, so enum converter, that's updated. We've added that. So now we just need to come here. Now we want a new case of event goal dot battle simulator. Oh, come on. Why is that not? Yes, event goal dot battle. Oh wait, that's event goal. No. Wait, I think I added. No, it needed to be that anyway. We needed to add that to event goal. Oh, hang on, give me a second. No, we're not gonna want that because that'll be an anti-pattern to what we've already got. So no, we're gonna need to add more to our enums. Because we have our event goals as well. So event goals. We're gonna have battle simulator. Oh fuck. Simulate. Learn to spell. Why do I struggle spelling simulator so much? Holy crap. Weak monster. I'll capitalize it, damn it. There we go. Event enums. I'm gonna need to add that to this, aren't I? Event goal. That wants to be up here. Okay. Case. And that changes scene. Oops, I should just start copying and pasting that. What was it? Battle simulator. Weak monster. Oh boy. Event goal. Battle simulator. Weak monster. There we go. So do people want to see? While you're around, do you want to see what the battle simulator does then? If I close this up and let's open this. Move it way over here. Ah, I'm being booped. Or maybe I'm not being booped. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna restart Lakeia. I think Lakeia is having problems. Lakeia's having problems. Just give me a second. Exit. Alright, I'm just going to restart Lakeia real quick. Give me a second, guys. She is not having a good time. Here we go. Right. Come back to this scene. Oh, hello. Handsome devil. Come on, OBS. Pick things up. There we go. Right, now just set this back. There we go. Right. Oh, of course. Now I've got to manually turn that off. Fuck, you can stop booping me now. Quit booping me. Go away with the boopage. There we go. Right. So, yeah, I will give you a quick demo. So, the way this works is... In fact, I'll show this in Windows Explorer because it'll mean a little more to people in Windows Explorer. So if I come back to bin debug, I will boop you manually. Boop the snoot. Yeah, you little booping sods. Get away from me, you little boopalots. Little boopy doop. Okay, so the way this works is everyone is going to have a little text file like this. And you do, and when you try and run something for the first time, say you try and train for the first time, it'll generate you one of these, and you'll have a very little character. You'll start at level 1. At level 1, the only thing you'll be able to do is train. Can't do that yet, but we'll get there. However, as you train and fight, you'll level up. And every time you level up, you'll get 2 new ability points that will randomly be distributed between these. Your health will also go up by a certain amount. So, you know what? I'm just going to quickly check my arguments for this one before we start it. I can't remember where I checked my event argument. So sorry, we're just going to run and hope for the best. If I do this, because it doesn't come up with anything, it runs silently. So I've got to set start up. Here we go. What do you mean the build errors? Wait, hang on, what? Rebuild, what? Why did that run with... okay, I might have to come back to that. Why is that running? Permission error. Cannot access the file because it's being used by another process. Oh shit, my bad. My bad. Okay, yeah, no, that is my fault. Oops. There we go. No, it's still beeping at me. That's not good. Why are you beeping? Right, run. There we go. So, this is a separate application. You can see we get some details come in. So this first event is the weak monster. So this is the event that's coming in. So if you have a redeem, you may decide to fight a weak monster. That's what this thing says. This is my account number on Twitch. So this is used so that I can, the battle simulator can get the right character. And then it's just got our display name so that it can like refer to us in chat. Because if we put in number like 1068611102, no one's gonna have any fucking clue who we're talking about. So that's gonna come in. That's gonna, hang on, we're gonna ignore that. That's loading monsters. Yeah, yeah. Run the encounter. So what this is gonna do is this is just gonna loop through really quickly. Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's my bad. Where's this gonna output to? This should output to here, I think. Okay. So, you know what? We'll let it run through. And, where has that output to? Fuck. I did this Sunday night while really tired. You're gonna have to give me a minute. I can't remember where that outputs to. Fuck. Okay, where's the IO object? Models, IO. Where do you save the result to? Current directory. Oh, okay. Here we go. Battle result. So I fought a cat, and I lost. The cat beat me in a fight. All good. Quality like this takes time to make. It's not actually taken too long considering the amount of time I've put into this. But yeah, so that was cat that time. But if I run it again, without the brick that time, battle result. Oh, I fought a bobcat this time, and I still lost. Run it again. And dog, and I still lost. So I should point out yeah, so I should point out that all the weak monsters, when you choose to fight a weak monster, it'll fight a random monster from the weak monsters, and the weak monsters are level 6 to 15, and my character, if I load up my character sheet, is only level 1. So what we can do is to make this a little bit more of a fair fight. If we go cat, in fact no, we'll do this differently. We'll close that for a second. We'll move back there. If I go to my file, and if we just give me a load more health, and we boost my strength by my dex by a load and my strength by a load. Here we go. Yeah, I'm losing to my own kid. Look, this is level 1, okay? This is level 1. Give me a chance. I'm still technically level 1. I've just bumped my stats up a bit. So if I build that now. That's built. Go back in here. And now if I run the battle simulator again, and I open up the result, I still fucking lost. Why the fuck did I fight a rhino? That's why I lost! Oh, you little shit. Fuck's sake. Hang on. Fuck! Right, let's try that again. Right, come on. Really? I lost to a leopard! Oh, how fucking strong is a leopard? Oh, a leopard is like, oh, that's why. These are my stats. That's a leopard. Okay, right. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Right. If I lose now, I will be very pissed. Yeah, you're gonna want to keep bringing those in. There's gonna be plenty of those. How? How the fuck did I lose to... No, okay. I'm not convinced there's not a bug here. What do you mean I lost to a cat? That... Oh, wait, I know why. I know why. I didn't rebuild the bloody thing. There we go. Now if I rerun it... I lost to a bat. I should point out a bat is the lowest level creature in this game. I'm not convinced there isn't a bug here. Okay. There's something going on here. Let's close all of these for a bit, because I gotta fix some shit. Close all of this. Close the battle manager. Right, keep that up. Look, leave me alone. We all know I suck at video games. Oh man, I see you stacking up on those effing chats. You're gonna end up running out of those, my friend. You're going to end up running out of those. Right, okay. What the fuck is going on? Let's open up the encounter object. So this is the object that's actually running the fight. Let's rebuild. Let's use this. Right, so if we so character HP, this is... Hey Bladed, thank you so much for the sub. Glad you're enjoying the streams. Thank you so much for all the support. Good to see you here, buddy. Hey Blue, good to see you. Thank you for the wolf howl. Welcome on in. Okay, and Lakay is actually picking these up now. That's good to see as well. For a talented and fun woofer. Thank you very much, buddy. It's appreciated. Okay, so what we have here is... why is my health only 34? That is not right. What is going on here? Why is my health only 34 there? That might be why I'm still losing. Okay, let's go to creatures, characters. Oh, I know what's happening. Right, okay. So one of the things in this game is if you die while fighting a monster, you are reset. Also, this music is very loud. I'm just going to turn this down a bit. Holy shit. There we go. There. Yeah, so if you die while fighting a monster, you get reset back to level 5. So you have to level things up again. So there is a chance you don't end up starting completely from scratch, but you will end up getting reset. So you've got to be careful when fighting monsters. Right, okay, so that's why that's happening. So let's just up my stats a shitload here. That'll do it. Right, okay. So now if we run with that, now if we run Battle Simulator, hey, I won. Okay, so I won, which is what I expected to see. However, I need to change that so that it actually outputs my name. Oh, wait a minute. No, I want it to output. Yep, no, ignore me. No, it has to output that. Lakea will tie the name with the account number. So that's the idea. If we run again, what do I fight this time? This time I fought a guard dog and I won. So it seems a little janky. That's because of the way I did it. Look, shut up, go away. We don't need to know that. No one needs to know that. Oh, but as you can see, like fighting a guard dog, I won and I got 60 XP for that fight. So if I go in here, characters, we can see 575 XP, and I leveled up as well. Oh, that's actually reset my. Oh no, it hasn't. Yep, never mind. So that's leveled me up. You wouldn't normally have this much health at this level, but obviously we played with the file a little bit. So if we watch that, 575 XP, and now we go back here, we rerun. Battle result. This time it was a giant rat. I won, and I got 35 XP. So if we go back to my file, my XP's gone up. So like this seems like a little bit jank, but this is the way it's going to work. And the idea being is that Lakeia is going to run the battle simulator when you put a redeem in chat. So just like at the moment, when you put a redeem in chat, it comes through to Lakeia, and then Lakeia will take action on it. So like if you want to catch me, then you redeem the catch me redeem in chat. Lakeia picks that up and she reaches out to OBS and she enables the net source. In this case, you would choose to fight a weak monster. Lakeia would pick up that redeem and she'd come to the battle simulator. She'll run the battle simulator with your... Damn it. Whoa, nice try, you little shit. Now I can't develop for 30 seconds, damn it. But Lakeia will pick up you redeeming, fighting a weak monster, that redeem. She'll come to the battle simulator, and then she'll run the battle simulator using your character sheet and a random weak monster. And then she'll take the output and she will print it to chat. So if you win, she'll say, hey, you won the fight. You gained X XP. If you level up, she'll say, ooh, you also leveled up as well. If you lose, she'll be like, oh no, you lost, you died. You get reset back to level 5. And then we'll add in some other commands in that as well, so that like you can see your character sheet in chat. So we'll add like a character command and stuff like that, which should be good. Right, okay, so that gives you a rough idea of how it's going to work. The actual game itself is very simple, but the complexity comes in from the fact that, well, there's multiple integrations. So we've got Twitch as a platform, Lakeia as one application, the Battle Simulator as another application. So it's a lot of things tying into one, even though the game itself is very simple, if people understand what I'm getting at there. If people want, I'm happy to draw an image if it makes it a little bit easier. But that's the kind of thing we're going with. Right, okay, so that's not buggy at all. That's genuinely not buggy. That was just me being an idiot. So let's reset my health and stuff back to here. I think I understand that. Such a fun concept. I'm glad you like the sound of it. Like I said, this came about because people have been saying they've got loads of channel points. Like some have said they've got up to 60,000 channel points. So I was just thinking, what could I get people to do to spend them? Because there's not really... Oh yeah, it was you, wasn't it? It's just like, well, what can I give you to spend them on? Because there's no real advantage to stacking them up. But at the moment, as fun as our redeems are, like the Catch Me Redeem and some of the others, they're kind of gimmicks that just come up on stream like now and again. They're short-term gimmicks. So something like this gives people something they can invest their points in on a more long-term basis. Which is kind of where the ball's rolling from, and we'll be able to build on it a little more in future, so we can add more monsters, we can add boss battles to it. I have one idea that I'm working on. This is going to be a short while away because I want to get some artwork to like show on stream for this, but I want to add one event where you can fight me, Lakeia and Looping, and you have to try and beat all three of us as a stream. Because I think that would be an awful lot of fun to do. I have some like... Oh! Lady, thank you so much for the bits! Thank you so much, buddy. You've cheered 1,000 bits total. Holy shit. Thanks so much for the support, dude. You are one amazing dude. Thank you. But yeah, so I don't want to give too much away on that particular idea. It's going to be a short while away because I need to get some artwork for what I've got in mind. I've got some other things that I want to build into it, but that's the kind of thing we can do with this battle simulator, and we can build on it a little bit. So while it's very simple in its core gameplay, it kind of gives people a few things they can toy around with, as well as something they can invest their points in. So anyway, so we can scrap this for now. We're not actually looking at that. That's not what we're working on at the moment. So we're going to want to come back to Lakeia herself. We want program, and we want output. We also want where is it? Closing enums, pardon me. We want event processor. Here we go. Move program back over here. Maybe fighting. Ooh, interesting. Okay. So people in chat being able to fight other people. I like that idea. The main complication there would be would be being able to set it up so that you can challenge someone and have that other person accept. I know there are some Twitch bots that have set up dual systems, so we could probably set up something like that. But that one's a little more complicated in terms of like the user input. Because here, all we have right now from the user point of view, you will open up the channel redeems and you press a button to do your redeem. If you want to fight each other, now we've got to have a little more, because we've got that first person putting in like the redeem for it, but then we need input from the second person, if that makes sense. And I need to be able to put those two events together. So I really like the idea, and feel free to put that as a ticket up on the GitHub, because I love it, and I would definitely look at adding that. It just might be a little bit further down the road, because that one's got a little more complexity to it, to add it as an implementation. I do really like it as an idea though. That's awesome. But yeah, that's the idea. Spending points of training. You start off by training. Yeah, no, honestly, Bladed, keep them coming. Keep them coming. I love getting more ideas from you guys. Occasionally there might be an idea where it's a case of, well, that might be a little bit beyond what I can implement. But for the most part, I should be able to do most things. Like, well, trying to toot my own horn, I'm a fairly competent software engineer. I'm fairly good at building these things. Most of it, like, this is, ignoring the integrations, which will have most of that built anyway, isn't a very complex system in terms of the actual game itself. So it should be fairly easy to like build some of these in. So yeah, keep them coming. I love hearing them, and we can keep building it up. And it's always good to hear what the community would like to have in it as well. Mouthful of tea. Right, anyway, so we got that one. So process. So case event go dot battle simulator weak monster. For that one, we're going to want to go outputs. No, we don't need to pass it. We're going to want to do battle event, and that is going to want item.name event item. So what's that one go on? That's go on event args. Okay, yeah. So no, I want to. Go off, change this. It doesn't want that. It's going to want a dictionary. It's going to be a dictionary string and string args. That's what that's going to want. And what's that got in it again? Callback args, technical name, ID, duration. Okay, yeah, so that's going to be. Oh, it's go one callback as well. Yeah, no, it's definitely go one callback. Let's just look at these. Yeah, callback's callback. Okay. Calls back. Ooh. Okay, Is it just call? Yeah, call back. Sorry. Hang on. Call backs. Damn it. There we go. Call back. There we go. That's what arguments that needs. Think I found a way to make the idea easy? Yeah, hit us, Bladed. What you got? What you got for us? So it's going to want to be item.args and then item.callback. And then we want to break that because like hell do we want you to cascade on that. Okay, awesome. That's going to come down here. Event output. So that's going to be here. Battle event. Yeah, I'm probably going to change this actually so that it's got different functions for each one. We'll implement that. Have it be a random duel. Each Twitch user with a profile is put into a pool similar to a monster types. The one redeeming fights another person at random. Only thing I can consider changes making duels non-lethal. Yeah, so if it was dueling, we'd definitely have it as non-lethal. So then the question comes in, would we allow there to be experience gain from that? I would probably say no, or at least if there is experience gain, it would be limited just to avoid, because if there isn't a chance of dying, then you don't want to be getting too much experience from it, because otherwise it's a little bit cheatable. And the only way that I want you to be able to get experience without the risk of death is training with Lakeia, which is mainly to get you from the lower levels up to a high enough level to be able to start fighting monsters and that. So, but it is a potential idea, because they're using the same format, so we could give that a go. The real challenge there is, sure, you might end up fighting someone who's a much lower level than you, but you could also end up fighting someone who's a way higher level than you. It's an interesting thought, though. Well, we could always look at implementing both. And to be fair, actually, we could set it up so that it works the same way as the duel system. Or is it, I think it's Stream Elements has it? Has the ability for users to duel each other. So yeah, we can definitely work with that idea. That's a running idea. Like I said, Bladed, if you all put it up on the as an issue on GitHub, feel free. If not, I'll do it later on. There is a link in the Discord. If you go to the Discord channel and down to Lakeia and Woodland updates, it's in a pinned message on there. I should probably add like a GitHub command, really, shouldn't I? Like a GitHub command. I will do that after this stream. Can someone put a message in the Discord to remind me, please? And then I will do that post-stream, because that's a good point. Awesome. Alright, so, yeah, we're going to want to change this. So, let's get rid of this for a moment. And we'll set up a new region. Region Battle Simulator. Hashtag end region. And then function to call Battle Manager for weak monster encounter. Okay, what was my naming convention? Okay. Battle event weak. Battle weak monster. Weak monster. There we go. Event processor. Yep, you're moaning. That's fine. There we go. Stop. And stop. Okay. That now. So now we're going to call to this. So here. Right, we're going to have a few things here. This is where Lakeia, this object's going to be the part of Lakeia that actually manages running the battle simulator. So public void weak monster battle. And from this, we are going to want to give a few things. So we know it's a weak monster. Mind you, no, we don't. Yeah, we can just do monster battle actually. We do public monster battle. We can do. Oh shit! Okay, no, that's the same. Public void monster battle. So if we do that, so we're going to want a string for monster strength. Monster strength string count number. I'm still not sure if that's a string or a number at the moment. We'll find that out in a bit. And then string display name. So that's what that's gonna need. Now if we come here, here we're gonna want to do battle manager dot monster battle. We're gonna want to say weak monster, and then we're gonna want args. Oh bollocks! Wrong button. From the args, we are going to want. Oh, give me a second. Models. Events. Where are we going? Twitch bits, client subscription, Twitch command, follow, pub subscription. Aha, there we go, that's what I want. Twitch redeem. Display name. Oh, wait, no. Wait, seriously? Do we not get the account number? That might be something I have to rectify. Okay, let's have a look at this. Args dot reward redeemed. Oh, okay. Yep. Nope. Fuck. I need to just start copy and pasting that. Thing is, it's a habit because I have to write those characters so feckin' often. No. Copy and paste. Alright. Okay, so we want args dot reward redeemed dot redemption dot user. Right. ID. There we go. So it is a string. We'd be converting it to string anyway, so I don't know why I was worrying. So oh bloody hell, learn to spell account. Right, account ID. Right, so we get that. That is something I'm probably going to want to add to the rest of these. Holy shit, I can't believe I haven't added it to the rest of these. Twitch raid. We're going to add this real quick. Well, it's not going to be on that, is it? Follow. That's going to have it. Yep. That's definitely going to have it. Yeah. Account ID. Yep. Although it's not going to be in that structure. It's not that at all. Oh, user ID. Okay. Why did Twitch structure their data like this? Their data structure is not consistent, and it winds me up a little bit. Okay, right. There's that for Twitch follow. Twitch command is also going to need this. Crappy shite. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. Grab that. Paste. Get rid of you. Args dot command dot chat message dot user. I'm guessing. Oh wait. Dot ID. No message. Okay. Dot user ID. There we go. Let's just throw that on there. What did we call it again? Account ID. Let's just grab that so that we know that the key is the same. There we go. And then same for client subscription and bits. Did I do the other subscription event? don't think I did, so we'll do that as well. Right, account ID. Grab that, close that in here. Add that comma in here. So we're going to do subscription. Oh, wait, is it subscription? Yeah, it'll be subscription. It's not going to be anything else. Subscription dot username, use ID. There we go. That's what we want. Right. Same for this one because I can't remember which one of these actually works. The fact that there's two irks me. And again, see, look, different things. It's the same. Oh, Twitch. Please sort out your data structures. Right, Twitch bits. Right, same here. Args dot user ID. At least that's at root level there. There we go. Right, so we've added it to all of those. Twitch redeem. We got the account ID. Okay. So I want to do args. Bollocks. Fuck. Shit. There we go. Account ID. And then what was the other one? Display name. We want the display name. Hang on. Let's just keep this open for now. So this is the one we're working against. Just grab all of that. Thank you. That's mine. And then we want to do args. Copy that in there. So that is going to pass through the type of monster we want to fight, the account ID we need, and the display name. We'll also want it to do some other stuff afterwards, but we'll get to that. Yeah, because Battle Manager is gonna have to return. Okay, yeah, we can work with that. Oh, yeah, because we're gonna want it to. Okay, yeah, we'll work with it. So, monster battle, we have monster strength, count number, display name. Right, this is where it's going to get a little more fun, because this is the part where Lakeia has to actually make the call out to the to this other application, of which in Lakeia's build, it's in applications, battle simulator. That's where we want to go, so we need to go that way. So we're going to want to build the path to that at the start. So private string exe path, and the exe path is going to be it's going to be environment dot current directory plus. Right, let's see. So it's going to be applications. We're going to do. Oh, fuck's sake! We're going to do a couple of backslashes. Applications. Then we're going to want to do battle simulator. // and then we want battle simulator.exe. Okay, right. Distractions aside, let's make sure that is the right path. So if we do that, and then we tell this version of Lakeia to run. Okay, why is she? Oh, that's why I'm still set to run that. My bad. Where are we going? Set a startup project. There we go. I want you to run Lakeia instead. Okay, that's not a good sign. Oh, fuck, crap. I forgot you need to do that. Load that one. There we go. Right, exit path. Is that the path? Okay, ignore those. Is this the path we expect it to be? Debug, net, applications. Yep, that is what we're looking for. I don't know why. Oh, it will be this. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine because it wipes it and moves it every build. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Windows crying. Go away, Windows. Okay, so we got the path to our exit. So now when we run, we're gonna want to run. Hang on. I'm gonna need to look at some of my other code so that I can reference some stuff. Commands, process commands. No, that's not it, is it? This isn't the part that actually. No, it's not that one. We want not that. Processes, external processes. Here we go. Here we go. So this is where we actually wait. Is this? No, it's not. I can't remember where I defined that. Where the fuck did I define external process? Models.resources. Models. Oh, okay. Yep, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, no. You're a daft bugger. Anyway, right, so how do we do this? So Windows style. Okay, I am gonna need to also reference something I put on the ticket. Oh, we've already got the ticket open. Let's look at Stack Overflow. Something I was looking at earlier on my lunch break. Start Windows style hidden. Right, okay. So this is important because we want, when we run the battle simulator, we don't want it to pop up the window for us. So normally when we open an application, it opens in a window. This is what you want. However, here it's an automated process that we want to run in the background. We don't want it to open a window because if it opens up in the middle of our game or whatever, it's going to be distracting and getting away. So we want it to run it in the background without opening a window, which is what this little bit of code is for. So, well, not all of it, it's specifically this line we need, but we'll come back to that. So we need process start info, okay. Yeah, we want Lakeia to post it in chat. In time, one stretch goal I do have for Lakeia is I want her to be able to, I want to give her a voice bot and be able to actually have a talk on stream, because I think that'll be pretty amusing. But yeah, for the time being, we want Lakeia to post it to the chat. So it's that nothing is going to visually happen on stream, at least not for these monster events. There's stuff later on that'll have happen on stream, but that'll work differently. Lakeia TTS, yeah, because honestly, I think that would be hilarious. I really want to implement that, but it's finding in. I've never really worked with that before, so I need to look into how that'll work, and I'm already working on a few other bits for Lakeia and that, so that's why that's not come up yet. But I reckon that will be a laugh, and giving Lakeia the ability to talk on stream. I just don't really know how to go about that one yet. It's one I'm gonna have to look into. Maybe I'll have a play around on my lunch break at work. Right, anyway, so here we have process start info, and that's where we're setting create no window. Okay. Right, we can define this in our constructor. We can give it our name. Aha, so that's where we put our application path in. So we don't need to, okay. Okay, so we don't actually need this. We can comment that out. If we bring in process start info, that's probably going to need it to import a library. Yes, it does. System.diagnostics. That makes sense. That's fine. Oh, why are you not happy? Oh, because I haven't actually named it. That's why. Battle sim info. There we go. Right. So external process. How are we defining that here? Start info. Add it. Okay, so we've just make a new one passing the path. Okay. So we want battle sim info equals a new one, and it's going to need the path of environment dot current directory plus, and we won't make the mistake of accidentally changing scene this time because we can just copy and paste that in. So that gives that the path to our battle simulator. What else are we gonna need? Here we have a process. Yeah, we're going to want to pass that in as well. No, we don't need to pass a process, but we do need to define a process for battle sim. Okay, and we'll need to define that as a new process. There we go. Oh fucking hell! I forgot the new keyword. New. There we go. If I'm quick enough about this, we might even be able to do a cheeky little test on stream, but we will see on that. We will see. So battle stream equals new process. So we've got that. Windows start isn't what we need, but we are going to want this dot create window. Dot create no window, sorry. So bring that back up, and we're going to want to define that as part of battle sim info. So that is going to stop it from producing that window, which we do not want. At least in theory. I've not actually tested that, so we'll find that out in a bit. That's going to make a new process. So we'll also go on know when this is active. Well, actually, we might be able to. We'll define a bool for it for now, but I think there's ways of calling the process class to check if it's active. So I forgot to private these so that they're not internal. Can't remember the entire difference between private and internal off the top of my head, so I'm gonna have to do some read on that later on. Active. Okay. And what's active is equal to false for now. Okay, how do we start the process? Process.start, and we pass in start info. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly run to toilet, and we'll take a quick break so that people can grab drinks and so on. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea because I always have a cup of tea while I'm coding, and then we'll come back to this, and then we'll hopefully be able to test this out on stream. So if anyone in chat fancies being our test subject, you are welcome to give it a go. So we'll do that when we get back in a few moments. I am back, and I got another proper brew. Another proper brew. Okay, let's get back into this. You can be a guinea pig? Awesome, thank you, Bladed. Well, give us a couple of minutes to get this sorted, and then you can be our very first battle sim tester. So, let's see. What is it we need to do? We need to be able to run the process. So, if active, in fact, we'll ignore the if active for now. We'll just get it to run it. So, we're just gonna want to do battle sim dot start and pass in battle sim info. And why does it not like that? Battle sim is not null here. Well, of course it's not null. Why would it be? What? Oh, cannot be accessed within an instance reference. What? What are you moaning about? Cannot be accessed with an instance reference. Qualify it with a type name instead. Is that something I had to do? Oh, okay. No. Okay, yeah. Process.start, okay. Hang on. Let's, copy this line from here, because I'm missing something here. Hold the fucking phone. Hold the fucking phone. Right. Okay. Let's comment that out. Get rid of that. Don't need system right now. So process equals. Right. Okay. Okay. That makes more sense. So that is equal to process. Oh no. Type it. Process dot start. And then we're passing in battle sim info. Okay, there we go. Right, so now what we're going to do is I'm gonna move this off to one side for a moment while I open up my configurations file and scroll down so that I don't end up giving away info I shouldn't. Channel bits, we want to come down to channel redeems. If we come to the end of here, we'll want to make a new channel redeem. So let's do this channel dashboard. You get to see behind the scenes of Twitch channels now. For those of you who haven't seen this before, channel points. Right, okay. Add new custom redeem. Temp redeem. We'll make it 1 point for now. Create. Now I have just remembered one annoying thing. So you guys should now be able to see that temp redeem. Okay, don't do anything with it yet because we can't do shit with it yet. Right, okay. So in fact, wait, no, we do want to do that. And then, where's Lakeia? Here we go. Why are you capturing these multiple times? What is up with you, Lakeia? Wait, what system aggregate? What? Unable to connect. Okay. I'm going to have a chat with you later on. Anyway, so let's copy this. Did that copy? I think that copied. Right, okay, let's try it. Yes, it did. Okay, awesome. Awesome. So we'll just put that in a notepad for a moment. So this is the ID of that redeem we just made. So now if we grab this one, we just need to add this to our configuration file. So this XML file is the file that Lakeia loads in, and it's what I tweak when I want to make changes. So we'll call this temp. Type is a Twitch redeem. we want to use this one. Yeah, so this is the whole idea of Lakeia being configurable, so that I don't have to make code changes every time I want to change how like a redeem works. I can just make edits to this XML file, and that changes what Lakeia will do for each redeem. So things like now, I can just throw in a new event for a new Twitch redeem we just made. I give it the new details, I tell it what I want it to do. So target is going to be the battle simulator. Make sure I spell this right. Simulator. And the goal is oh god, what did I say it was going to be? Ion converter. Just grab that for now. There we go. So we want the goal of fighting a weak monster. 0 duration. We don't need any of that, I don't think. So we'll leave that in for now. Now if we rebuild Lakeia, give her a sec to build, that she now has the new configuration using this. So if we go to Applications Battle Simulator, this is the last fight that we did in the Battle Simulator. This is me. So that's our battle result. If we run Lakeia now, okay, what was that error? Oh, okay, it was this again, never mind. Of course, because she rebuilds every time. Yeah, so this was the last fight. If we load config, we can get rid of this now. Oh, bollocks, hang on. I know one thing I've forgotten to do. Undo that. We are going to need her to connect to Twitch here. Okay. Are you ready, Bladed? Your moment's coming up. So now load that file. Okay, she's connected. Yep. If we come here, Applications, Battle Simulator. So battle result, here we go. I am going to just do this though. Like, account numbers aren't really that big of a thing on Twitch. You can find anyone's account number anyway, but I'm still going to move it off screen so that I can remove Bladed's account number before showing the battle result. Just because, while it doesn't mean anything, I'm not open to sharing people anything to do with other people without their permission. But if you want to fire that redeem now, Bladed, then in theory, this will run temp redeem. Okay. We haven't got it to print anything to a console yet, so there's only one way to find out. Oh, fuck! It's not worked. She picked up that temp redeem. So why did that not work? Okay. Okay. Just hang in there, folks. Hang in there. Right. So, why did that not work, eh? Event processor. Hang on. We're gonna need to go all the way in now. So that's all go there. And then that's all go here. So event input. Yeah, we have that, a new Twitch redeem, which goes to here, which calls new redeem. It checks the inventory, checks the directory. Yep, that's in there. Processor event. Come down, event goal. Okay, might need you to fire it a few times. Oh shit. because I keep forgetting to tab out and move back out of this, that's why. Okay. Just hold fire bladed. I'm just going to run a few debugs quickly so I can see where it's going wrong. And then you can give it another shot. Okay, that runs that. That runs that. Oh! Okay. We're running the battle simulator, but we're not giving it the information it needs. At the moment, we're just calling it without giving it the information. So when we call the battle information, we have to give it arguments. Think of it a little bit like I'm passing it a couple of notes, and those notes have the information it needs in order to run. At the moment, we're running it without giving it those notes, so it doesn't know what it needs to do. That's the problem. And the battle simulator will be returning errors, but at the moment, Lakeia doesn't pick up on those errors. Okay. That's fine. Just give me a moment. C#, run application with arguments. That's all we need. Right, let's see. So we need to run it with multiple arguments. No, I don't want print. I want to arguments. Aha, okay. Like that? Really? Start arguments. Okay, so we've just defined it. Okay, right. So we're going to want to do battle sim info dot get a collection. Don't need to be previously skipped. Okay, equals new list string. Okay. Oh shit, what's that done? Okay. Give us a moment, Bladed. You'll be able to give it a go again in a sec. So we want to give it a monster strength first. Hang on, let's just check. What does it want in what order? Program arg0 monster strength, arg1, arg2, arg1 character ID, so it wants ID then name. ID then name, so account number and then display name. Why is that green lining? Nullability of references doesn't match target type. Of course not, because I'm assigning it a new string. Anyway, okay. Hope you're ready, Bladed. Should why? It's not null. Wait, it's assign. Oh, it's read only. Oh, can we not assign to it? Hang on. How do we assign it? Okay. So we can only do it that way, where we have to give it a solid. That's a pain. That's a pain. Right, okay, so this is going to be this is going to be a pain because we're going to have to escape characters on this. Just give me a minute to think about this, chat. So I go on / that plus monster strength that again, and we'll go on / that space / that, and then we'll go want to add account number plus that / that space that / that, and then we'll go on add display name plus that / that, no, / that that. Now try that. Let's see if this works. Hope you're ready, Bladed. Let's fire this up. Right, okay, so config that one. Make sure it's that one. Oh, little early yet, Bladed. Sorry, my bad. No worries. Right, now that that's up, give us a second. Battle simulator. Battle result. So last battle result was my battle result. Here we go. Move that off screen. Close that. Right, go on, Bladed. Hit us. Fire away, my friend. Oh, bollocks. I forgot to remove that. Right, continue. Oh, shit. Ah! Uh-oh. Ah! Wait, what? Why the fuck are you trying to change? Oh, why are you doing that? Oh, no, Bladed! Wait, why is that throwing it? Why is that throwing that? Why is that? Okay. Well, first off, let's see if it got far enough to run this first. Okay, well, it doesn't look like it ran this, but I don't know if this threw an interrupt that has broke it. What do you mean? Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Yep. Okay, the reason that threw an error is because I haven't told it to connect to OBS. Hang on. So when you redeemed that other redeem, because I had this commented out, and what this line does is it tells it to connect to OBS, and it sets up the OBS connection. That is because I didn't want it to interfere with this version of Lakeia we have running, who's running for this stream, and of course she's bugged out at the moment because, well, fuck you, Lakeia. But that meant when you threw in the other redeem, I forgot that was going to make this one throw a hissy fit. So yeah, we'll just bring that back in. So that's my bad. So we'll try that again. Run. Okay. Okay, build errors. What's the build error?
Beautiful.
What? Oh, fuck's sake. It's because I've got this open. Damn it. And then let's move that back to there so that this doesn't cry again. This is what testing is like, by the way. There's so much more to development than just writing code. Right, okay, applications, battle simulator. Latest battle result was still mine. Okay, fire away, Bladed. Fire away. Let's see what happens this time. Fingers crossed. Come on, let's do us all a favour. Right. Temp redeem. Okay. Okay. Oh, bollocks. Okay, that's not... Nope. That's not ran, and I have no way of knowing where that's not running. Tell you what, actually, okay. Let's temporarily remove this line, because this means we'll be able to see when the window comes up, if it is running it. It's possible I've fucked up this monstrosity of a line. In fact, let's just give that a test to see. Hang on. I'm gonna want to close that. I'll come back to there. Oh, come on! I really want to get this working. Oh, actually, there's a good point. Come back here. Temp redeem, edit. Skip rewards queue. Don't need that. Right, okay. Choose configuration. Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna redeem it myself, so we hit this. This is just so I can check the arguments. Arguments. Here we go. Okay, that's looking roughly right. Looking roughly right. Okay, so exit that. Let's try this again. Okay, seeing as though we know it's not going to work, Bladed, I'll run it this time. Just because I don't want to ask you to keep wasting your channel points. Not that you're likely to run out with 60 odd K anytime soon. But still, right, okay, so. Nothing, it's picking it up, it's definitely getting to here. Why is it not working? Okay.
Beautiful.
Assuming that's not working. No, that's still not worked. Okay. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Let's see. C#, process, end event. We're going to need to give ourselves something to help out with this. Process.exited, new event handler. Right, okay. New event handler. So, and then process, yeah. Process exited, there we go. Okay, yeah, so we'll just add this in. Wait, was that on the process? Is my process? Yep, it's process, okay. So, when we define new process, we're going to want to go battle sim dot exited equals new event handler. We're going to want to give that a name of a function. So we'll just copy this one for now. Copy that. Grab that here. Badoom, badoom. Grab that. Okay. Is it not exited? Oh, forgot the plus equals. We're subscribing to that. We want to subscribe to that. And then what we'll do is terminal.output battle. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Battle sim ended. Okay, so what we're doing here is this little chunk of code. Well, start here. Is what we're saying is when this process ends, so our battle simulator ends, we want to run this code here, and this code here will output some text to Lakeia's console. So we're saying that when the battle simulator finishes running, output some text to the console. And we're doing that because then we'll be able to confirm if the battle simulator process is running or not. Oh, of course, because I forgot to move out the fucking thing here. Windows throwing a hissy fit. Right, you run. We'll get this working, don't worry, Bladed. We'll get this working, and then you can be the first one to test this. For those 150 bitties earlier. Right. Right, so if we now do temp ban, redeem. I saw some movement here. Aha! Aha! Error logs to the rescue. Lakeia, when you produce an error log, it's nice for you to put the error in the fucking error log. Why is it empty? Where's the bloody error message? You stupid muppet! Oh, fucking hell, I gave you... Spent ages working on that fucking error log for that reason. Why? Why are you giving us nothing? Why are you giving us nothing? Right, there we go. Come on. Ah! Hey, Jeevius, good to see you, buddy. How are you doing? Permissions? Nah, Lakeia's got right permissions here. This isn't on my C drive, this is on a D drive. She doesn't normally have problems producing error logs. Wait, where's that going to be throwing? Okay. Alright. Let's do it this way then. How are you doing anyway, Jeevius? It's good to see you, buddy. Right, so, let's debug this. Yeah, we're setting the arguments there. We're starting that process. Okay, now we're just passing back down the stack. And it's ended. So, where's that error log come from? There never was an error? Why is that still working? Darn it! I am very confused right now. So, I don't think it's running. Yeah, it's not running. It's not running the battle simulator at all. So this is our problem. It's not running the battle simulator at all. And I don't entirely understand why. That should be starting that process. Doing okay, bit tired, but okay. That's fair. Sounds like a bit of a rough start to a week if you're already tired, though I can completely relate to that. Hopefully you get a chance to rest up soon, buddy. Yeah, I don't know why this isn't running. That's really annoying. Why is that not running? So I don't think it is actually outputting errors, because otherwise that file would have error data. Hang on. Let's see. C# process not running. How it runs. Set the wrong working directory. Just the kids, you know, it's hard work. I don't expect to be well rested for a couple. Oh, of course, you've still got young kids, haven't you? Oh, that's gotta be an absolute nightmare. Man, it's worth it though. I bet it's totally worth it. Okay, it might be a pathing issue. How are you? I'm gonna say, how old are they now? A couple of years? Like 2 years? I'm pretty sure you mentioned one of them being born on one of my streams on the old channel. Man, that's going back a bit. Worth every bit of tiredness. I bet it is. I bet it is. Enjoy the years while you can, my friend. Enjoy the years while you can. Okay, so I've got an idea where the issue might be. 1.5 years and 4 years. Oh, the older one's going to be starting school soon. Assuming they start school at the same time over there? I wouldn't know when they start school in your place. But certainly, like, they'll be nearing school age for us in Britain. Oh, man, that's got to be something. Yeah, looking forward to that. We start school at 6. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes more sense. We have a reception where you start at, I'm pretty sure you start at 5 years old in reception, but I don't think you actually do a whole lot there, so I'm not sure why, but there we go. It's not something I've really had to look into, given I am not... Oh yeah, it's different from the original version. That's fine, we expect that. Yeah, given I don't have kids, not a problem for me. Oh yeah, go away, I know Windows. You don't have to throw an error every time that happens. Just kick me to a lower root level. Right, here we go. Let's check this directory, shall we? Let's check that we're getting this right. So, Visual Studio, look here, bin, debug, net6, applications, battle simulator, battle simulator. Okay, I think I know. My fucking, it's gonna be my spelling mistake, isn't it? Fuck off! It's my fucking spelling mistake! Because I spelled the application name wrong when I made the fucking project. That's why it's not working, because it can't find the bloody project. Look, Battle Simulator, S-I-M-I, and yet over here, S-I-M-I? I don't even fucking know anymore. What am I doing? What? It should be simulator. Yes, Bladed. I spelt it wrong. The problem being is I spelt it wrong here when I first defined the project. And trying to rename a project in Visual Studio after you've made it Well, let's just say it's a bigger ball lake than it has any right to be. So that's why I haven't changed it. That's why it's staying as simulator, even though that is completely wrong. Our school systems are very different. What's yours like over there? Ours should be better. I won't lie. Ours should be a lot better. Right, okay, so maybe that is the right path then. Right, well, let's check it. So we know it's running from here. So we want applications. Yeah. And then we want battle simulator. Let's just get that folder name. Tell you what, I've got an idea. C#, check if file exists. File exists. I thought it would be file.exist. Yes, it is. Okay, we'll close that. So let's do terminal.output. Oh, hang on. Oops. Exe exists plus file.exists. BattleSimInfo dot. Can we not access the path afterwards? Okay, fine. Fine. We'll do it this way. Right, so what we're doing here is this little piece of code, this function, takes a file path and we're saying, right, check if this file exists. If this file exists, it'll return true. If it doesn't exist, it'll return false. This will tell us if our path is wrong, because if our path is wrong, that's why it's not running the process. And I will need to figure out where the hell I've gone wrong with that. This is what I mean when I was saying earlier by the game itself is quite simple. The complexity comes from the fact of we have multiple integrations. If this was built into Lakeia, it would be much easier to do. But I've not built it into Lakeia because it doesn't fit into what Lakeia is trying to do. Lakeia has other functionality, and you don't want your scope to become too wide on a project, otherwise you can introduce technical debt and things become much harder to work with down the line. Hence why it's a separate application. But it makes it more complicated. Fuck me. Okay, let's run it and see what happens. Right, while that's loading, and we'll get rid of that breakpoint. Let's see. Our main school ends at 9th grade. We start grade 0. 10th grade is optional. After that, we have what's called youth education, which is basically school where you learn and train, gymnasium. Huh. Okay. What kind of age group is that? Because we don't do grades. We do year groups. I don't know where our year groups line up with that. Because you do like year 1, year 2. Reception is kind of like year 0, I guess. So it sounds a little bit different. Certainly be interesting to make comparisons. Right, so let's run this and see what happens now. I'm hoping this tells me it does fucking exist. So it's the right file path. It's getting the executable. Why is it not running? Why is it not running? Okay. Right. 1 grade equals 1 year. Yeah, I kind of guessed that you'd be in a grade for a year. But our year groups are weird. So you start year 1 at. So you start reception at age 5, age 4, age 5. I think it's age 5. Then year 1 when you're 6. Year 2 when you're 7. Don't quote me on this though. I don't know. I've not had to go through this in like 20 odd years, and I don't have kids, so I've not had to deal with it for that long. Possibly. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. So that file exists. We know that file exists. It's able to find the executable. So I wonder if this means I'm setting something else up wrong. What else have we got here? Let's see. So, process start info. We're making a new one and we're passing in the path, which is what we're doing here. We know it's the right path. Start at 6 to 16 for Folkskolen, our school system. Okay. I'm not sure what you mean by Folkskolen. I'm going to guess that's a Danish word. But that sounds about the same for us. However, in Britain, you have to stay in education until you're 18. So that means you have to go to college as well. It did used to be 16, but then they've changed it so you had to stay until you were 18. They've changed it while I was like 15 years old. I remember a lot of people were not happy about that. Anyway, so about some info. So what are we doing differently? What are we doing differently? Though it's variable, some start early, some start late. Oh, can you come back later on? Here in Wales, it's still 16. Really? Huh. I thought it would have been the same because it was set for all the UK. But it's good to hear that it's a little bit different. Because it certainly makes things more difficult for kids who don't want to go to uni. Because the problem, at least in Britain, is that everywhere's trying to force you to go to uni. Everything's trying to set you up to go to uni. Now, I'm not going to get into a discussion of if uni is worth it or not, because that's a whole other conversation, and it's very opinion-based at the moment. Personally, I don't think it is anymore. But yeah, like a lot of education in Britain tries to force you to go to university. So yeah, interesting. I would argue that's probably for the better though, because it means people can get ready to go to apprenticeships and stuff like that a little easier. Right, what is going on here? I mean, what have we not set up? We're giving it the path it needs. That is start info, yeah. The only thing we're not doing is setting the window style, but I don't think, surely that's not a... Wait. No, we're giving it new process, yeah. And then down here, the process equals process.starts. Start battle info. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Booted up my PC to get this right. Hang tight, wall of text incoming. No worries, buddy. No worries. Gives me a moment to try and figure out what's going on here, because I don't understand why that's not running. I don't understand why that's not running at all. Let's just... Because I can't... I'll tell you what, there's another way we can do this. So, simulator.exe. We want to pass in fuck. That's going to become a problem. A weak monster. And then, hang on. Weak monster, and then what was my account? There we go. So we want 106861102. Paste, and then we'll just put test because that's just the name. Okay. Is that the problem? That might be the problem. That might be the problem. Okay. Let's see. So. Oh man, I hate Unix. There we go. Yeah, that ran. So. That ran. Let's close that because otherwise it'll cry at me. Let's change this so we do string path equals environment dot. Wait, no, we don't need to do it that way. We don't need to define a string for it. But we are going to need to do this. So put that there, and then backslash that. No, don't want backslash there. So that puts all of it in quotation marks. So the problem being is this is effectively running the program from command line. Now, command line is a bit of a pain in the ass for a number of reasons, because it's Unix. And Unix is great. However, Unix does not like having spaces in folder names. So things like here, where you have a space in a folder name, Unix doesn't recognize that. So in order for you to tell Unix that something's there, you have to put the whole thing in speech marks so that you can go, look, this whole object, here you go, look at all of it. Otherwise, it'll only look at part of it, because it'll reach a space and it'll go, oh, that's the end of the line. Not realizing that there's another word and more words after that space. That might be what our problem is. I'm not convinced, but that might be what our problem is. So let's give that a shot. Please work. Please work. Right, battle simulator. Battle result. Yep, okay, that's still mine. I'm going to move that off there like that. We'll set that up. Give this a moment. And then if you're still around, Bladed, if you want to give it a go, feel free. Hit that redeem. Let's see what happens. I really hope this is going to work. I really hope this is going to work. If not, it might be one I have to do off stream. There was me earlier thinking, oh, I've only got 6 tickets and some of these are going to be very small. I might get them all done on stream. Yeah, no, I should have known that was never going to happen. Should have known that was never going to happen. Hey, Genius, thank you so much for the bit. Thank you so much, buddy. You've cheered 1,858 bits. Holy shit, thank you so much for all the support, dude. Okay. I'm going to guess that Bladed is a little bit busy, so I will give this one a go myself. Right. Temp redeem. Come on. Temp redeem. Oh. Whoa. Lakeia, what are you doing? Lakeia, what are you doing? What? Why? She's only just started doing this today. What? And it's not the development version. It's a... What the fuck is going on? Lakeia, stop. Right. Okay. Stop. No. Stop. Just stop. Okay. Fucking hell. Let's restart Lakeia. I don't understand why she's doing this. This isn't the development version of Lakeia. This is the deployed version of Lakeia. The deployed version that has been working absolutely fine on all our other streams. So I don't know why she's suddenly deciding to go AWOL. No, right. On that. Right. Okay, we can minimize that now. Right, Lakeia, please stop peeing. Just stop. Just stop, please. I don't know what her problem is at the moment. Right, okay, and we didn't even get to see what this did in the end, did we? No, there's build errors. Oh, because I've got this open. Try that again. Apologies, tough pie animals match. Nah, don't worry about it, dude. Nothing wrong with that. Never need to apologize. Right. Okay, so. No, that's not what we want. Battle result. Here we go. Battle result. That's my last one. Bladed, if you'd like to do the honors with that redeem. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll work now. Hard focus, clutch win. Awesome. Well, glad it went well, dude. That's not ran. That's still not ran. Because we haven't got the additional thing, which means this is still Oh, why is this not working? Why? Lakeia, you had just... Why are you not running, eh? Why are you not running the battle sim? Why are you not running the battle sim? What is wrong with this? If I come up here and we go to... Oh, no. Not that far. Carefully, because I don't want to reveal certain things. So I don't have that there. Okay. I don't know why this is being a pain. Don't know why that's not playing ball. This is gonna be a proper problem, this one. It's gonna be a hell of a problem. Let's try getting rid of this again. And then let's see what happens if we run it now. Because we know the battle simulator works, it's just a... Oh, because I've still got this bugger open. We know the battle simulator works, it's just trying to get Lakeia to run the damn thing. Education we have is different to the educational boards to England, and we grade using letters instead of numbers. Yeah, I don't understand why we've moved to numbers. Like, it changes all the time. Every few years it seems to change in Britain. It's a bloody nightmare. Honestly, I'm glad you have a different education system, because ours is poor. Ours is very poor. It's a real problem. It's a real problem. Alright, grab that copper. Alright, let's see what happens if we run it now. It's detecting the redeem. But it's still not running. It's still not running the battle simulator. Damn. Why is it still not running it? You know what? Just as a quick sanity check, let's just build the new version of the battle simulator. And then give it another run, see what happens. Of course you're gonna complain. Fuck off. At least you don't have the mandatory addition of Welsh language to 16. Okay, yeah. That I can understand. That's gotta be a pain. Yeah, grade 13 was for the exceptional achievement. So wait, how exactly does that work? Is that an optional or... Yeah, our year 12, our year 13 is where you go to college, but you have to do... At least in Britain, you have to do college. It sounds like in Wales, it's optional. Imagine getting an A or whatever in the highest grade you are. Odd. Right, okay. I don't think this is going to work any better, but giving it a go. And that is a no. I don't understand what's happening. You know, I'm just trying to give myself anything. It might give me more clues at this point. Before process start, and then terminal dot output. Boom, boom. After terminal start. I was talking about grading papers and such. Ah, that makes sense. Yeah. So what age can people leave education in Denmark then, Jeevius? Because in Wales it's 16, in the rest of the UK it's 18. Oh, I think you already said actually. Was it 16? See what this does. Oh, come on. Right. Config. Yes. Load that. Okay, right. big body of text time. Let's have a read. Okay, so we have Folkskolen, which I'm probably butchering that name, sorry, which is our name for primary school. It usually starts at the summer of year the kid turns 6, but gifted kids may start a year early. Okay. Very few start a year late. Primary school goes from grade 0 to grade 9, which is with the same class, though the teachers change after grade 0, grade 3 and 7. After grade 9, most kids are between 15 and 17. Interesting, because that's not really an option in Britain. At Britain, like once you hit a certain age, you have to go to school. It's like, yeah, no, you can't wait a year, and there's no going early. You have to go at that age. Huh. Primary schools also have a grade 10, but not all schools have it. It's optional. Okay, so when any given kid are done with primary, they can be between 15 and 18. Yeah, your education system works way differently to ours. Yeah, that is a huge disparity. How satisfied are you with your education system though? Because I'll be honest, I'm really not with the UK one. I've seen it let down way too many people, both kids and teachers, but particularly the kids. It's fucking great. Well, I'm glad to hear one country's got it right, or at least there's people happy with the system in their country at least. Some small hope that the rest of us can maybe catch up some way. Must be doing something right. Scandinavian countries are nailing a lot of things. It certainly seems that way. Certainly doing a way better job than some of those other European countries. Some kids are quick, some slow. It's just, yeah, it is the nature of things, absolutely. And the education system should 100% reflect that. Unfortunately, ours doesn't. It, like I said, it lets a lot of kids down for a lot of reasons. So that's doing that, but it's not doing that. I don't know why it's not running. Why the fuck is it not running? Well, hang on. We can at least, for people who didn't get to see it earlier, I can show off the battle simulator itself when it runs. Because like some of you won't have seen it earlier. So we have character sheets like this. I should probably reset this. I'll reset it later. This one's a little fucked up because I fiddled with the numbers. You don't normally have 3,000 health, but there we go. And then we have monsters like these. So like a rhino is, well, he's a weak monster, but he's still here. He's one of the stronger weak monsters. And Lakea is meant to run the battle simulator. So if we do that, then battle simulator.exe, and then we pass in what we want to fight, weak monster. I'll catch up with this. You can get bumped up to grade or down, but it's very rare. Yeah, I don't think that happens in the UK. I could be wrong, but I don't think it happens here. Ours is full of bad eggs, lack of support, and teachers were 40s mindset. Yeah, you're not wrong there, buddy. Our school system severely lacks funding, but the framework is good. Yeah, ours lacks funding as well. I get a feeling like that's something that's worldwide, but it's not right. I heard an old friend in Manchester did hers. Oh, maybe it does then. Maybe it does happen in UK. I didn't think it did, but clearly I'm wrong. Characters. Let's get my thing here. So 1 0 6 8 6 8 6 1 1 or 2. And then Story Scolia. Right, there we go. So if I come back here, I'm showing off the battle simulator itself now. We can see that the last fight was between me on my old account and a goat. And I won. And I got 50 XP for that fight. If we run it again... Shit! fuck! I didn't mean to get rid of that! Oh, now I've got to type the whole thing out again. Damn it, Battle Simulator. .exe. Fuck's sake. You stupid moron. Weak monster. Just get this part done. This dowry. Scolia. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Materies, you are a fool. Okay, here we go. We want 1068 61102. There we go. Right. So if I run that again, now we look at the battle result. You can see this time I fought a leopard. I got 70 XP. I'll catch up on chat first, actually. We don't have a whole set system, which I don't really like. Yeah, there's a lot of issues with ours. After primary school, we have many different youth educations. It can be craft and trade like a plumber or carpenter, IT supporter. Yeah, we have 6 different paths after primary, mindset and what you all do as an adult. Yeah, like, that is so much better by the sounds of it. Like, it certainly sounds like it's got a much better focus on actually developing a child for their real world jobs. Part of the problem with the UK is they're far too focused on making kids pass exams and not necessarily preparing them for the real world as adults. But there we go. But yeah, so this is the battle simulator. You can see it's working. Like, we're passing in the type of monster we want to fight, although you can only fight weak monsters at the moment. The account ID, which is kind of like the key to tie it to your character, and your name. And then it's starting fights. So, as I said earlier, for people who weren't here, the way this works is Lakea's meant to run it. Lakea runs the battle simulator, passing in data like this. And then when the battle simulator runs, it outputs the result to this battle result file. So we can see here I fought a leopard. If I run it again with the same commands, you can see that time I fought a giant spider. I got 60 XP. We can also go back to my character file, and you can see 790 XP. We get experience for doing battles. So now I'm on 830. So the idea is you guys from the chat will be able to have redeems in chat that will allow you to fight, say, a weak monster. Lakea will pick up those redeems. She'll run the battle simulator with your character and whatever it is you've chosen to fight. And if you win, you get XP and you might level up. If you lose and you die to a monster, you get reset back to level 5. So there we go. And if you haven't got a character yet, say if we run this, but we've changed this to, let's see, if we change it all to just 111, and then we run it, it'll just generate you a new character. Oh, it normally okay. I've just thought of a problem. I'm going to have to redesign this slightly, and this isn't a technical problem, this is a flaw with my design. So when you get a character, you get a character at level 1, and you have to train with Lakea in order to get to level 5, and that's when you can start fighting monsters, is the idea. But if you just fight a monster straight away, then you'll get a level 1 character generated for you, you'll die, and then it'll level you up to level 5 straight away. That's a bit of a problem. I'm gonna have to rethink that. Still, the base premise is there, so I don't know what some of you guys think. I know Blady was pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with it for the most part. I've just got to finish getting it implemented. But I'm having problems getting Lakea to feckin' run the bugger. So I'll get rid of that. Fucking why? Why? I don't know. Give me a second to grab a mouthful of water. There we go. I mean, you can go and bite her ankles if you want. As you probably point out, she is trained with weapons like I am. She's not as good with a sword, but she's a damn sight better with a bow than I am. So, just careful she doesn't turn you into a human pincushion. Right, okay, so let's minimize that. I don't know why. I don't know why this isn't working. Ah, yeah, fireball's pretty effective. I won't lie. None of us fancy being roasted alive. Just don't miss, or she will return fire. Please try not to burn down the woodlands. I would rather not have to knock your two heads together. Oh, boy. Yeah, I don't know why this isn't running. It's not giving us any information. Hang on, I've got a potential idea actually. C# process ends get exit code. How do we get exit code? Exit code property. Okay. But it's not running, so is that even going to be able to work? You fool, this is D&D. The only spell that captures things on fire is create bonfire. Yeah, I think that is rules as well, isn't it? Which is a bit daft, but oh man. Process code. So it has a process code. But the thing is, it's not running. Never gets there. No, because this is still in there, so close that. Do it again. Load config. Oh boy. Right, let's see. Temp-D. I need to plan stuff for my D&D party at some point. Especially seeing as though they're going down a route that I did not expect them to. So I've got to like change all my plans as well. That's a bit of a ball, eh? Yeah, so it's just not running that at all. Okay. So we're not really going to be able to get the exit code, which is what I was thinking. Can we do... I don't think this is going to work, is it? No way is that going to work. No, because that is not async. I didn't think that would work. Process. Okay. Get the exit code when the process ends. Thing is, I don't think it's ending. Like, hang on. Let's do this. Run it again, and let's see what's actually happening with that. Let's inspect that process object. Right, that's gone through. Redeem. Right. Let's actually inspect this. What is going on here? Oh, cool, you're not... Oh, that's... Oh. Okay, right. Finally, we're getting somewhere. For an exception. Well, that explains why the fuck it's not running. What on earth does that mean? I am not familiar with that exception. System not invalid operation exception. Well, this is why I should have it in a try catch. That's for starters. So that is kind of on me. I don't have it in a try catch here. That's kind of bad. Fix that later on. Okay. Well, let's go try catch. Exception. I should really do more named exceptions, but fuck it. Let's just go logs, a log. Logs, is it? Yeah, there we go. Dot instance dot new log x, and we want error. No, it's log level. Dip. Dip, dip, dip. Log level. We want to use that. Dot error. Put that in. So back to grading, as in grades for exams and such. Our old system was weird, but nice thing about it was grade 13. As for the exceptional achievement, better than what would constitute an A. Imagine being an A in 95 to 100% correctness. Grade 13 was 101. How could you get above 100%? Was it even possible to get? Because you couldn't completely cite more than 100%. No internationals understood it, so it was removed. Yeah, it's a little bit odd that. How do you get more than 100%? I'm guessing there were like bonus marks? It seems like a bit of an odd way of doing it. I am kind of curious what the thought process is there. Right, let's do this. Copy that lot into here. Pardon me. And we'll put a break there. Now let's try and run it. How long ago was that removed? Out of curiosity. You run. I feel really bad because I told Bladed, yeah, you can be the first to test this, and that was like an hour ago, maybe more, because I thought we'd have this running. Did not expect this to become an issue. That's not throwing an error. So that means it's got to be the battle manager throwing the error. Oh, okay. Why is the battle manager throwing an error? Okay. Well, at least that narrows it down a little bit more. Man, integration really is the hardest part of development. 15 years? Oh, so it was a while ago then. That was removed a while ago. Oh, interesting. It's very rare to get it, like one person in any level. Oh wow, how many people did you have per level? How large were your grades? Because remember when I was in primary school, in one year group we would have over 30 kids a class, and we'd have 3 classes per year group, so it was like nearly 100 kids per year group. And I've been told that it's only got bigger, but I honestly couldn't like confirm or deny that. 20 kids! Damn, that's got to be way better than ours. We honestly, teachers struggle with the amount of kids we have. Nowadays a bit larger. Lack of funding, I'm guessing. Between 700 and 1,100 children total. Yeah, like I don't know how many my high school had, but it was probably something along those numbers. Because again, we had a lot of people. In fact, we might have even had more. We had like several classes per year group in high school. So honestly, I wouldn't like to say, but yeah, it was probably about the same number, Bladed. Right, I had an idea for something to try. I've forgotten what it is. Okay, let's go back to. So we know the problem isn't here, interestingly. So run this again. We'll inspect the process object again. But this means that the problem might actually be in the battle. But I don't understand why. Oh, I might have an idea what could be the problem. Okay. Maybe. Our core classes will be rampant, 25 to 30 each. Yeah, that sounds about right. We would sometimes have even more than that. It was stupid. Yes and no, larger now, but with a pedagogue? So actually less kids per adult. Fair. Like, we would sometimes have like a TA in that, but, well, only in primary school really. You've never had it in high school. Right, so let's look at this battle sim. So basically, battle sim is dying. Exit code 5. Aha! Aha! I can work with that. I can work with that. Exit code 5. Exit code 5. Enums. IO load error. Right, we're getting somewhere, folks. We're getting somewhere. Battle Simulator has a load error. Right, now we are getting somewhere. Finally. Right, we can close that. We can close that. We can close that. Let's bring this across. We can close that. Right, enums. And then let's go models. IO. Okay. So it is having a load error, the battle thing. So, load monster spice string. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Why? Why is it having... It runs fine when we run it from the command line. So why is it having a load error when Lakeia runs it? Okay, well, there's a good way we can test this. If we go to here... and we open a command line, because this is how Lakeia will be doing it. Okay. So, if we now go Battle Manager. Oh, maybe... Hang on. No way is it that. I don't think it'll be bad, but let's just give that a quick go. A class could easily be 30 kids. Yeah, that does sound a little more like ours. High school is gymnasium for me, and that's a different story. Ah, so that's where it could be 30 odd kids. But only for the bookish kids. Okay. Okay. Let's just do this. Right, battle result. Okay, yep, that was against a goat. Before I process that. Okay, no, yeah, no, it's not that. I should have known it wasn't going to be that. Because we were finding the file path earlier. So it's not that. Using Google Translate a lot here. Yeah, I kind of guessed that because there's been a couple of terms that I didn't quite get, which I assumed were probably because you were trying to turn the Danish into English. So it's interesting that not all the words are translating across easily. Right, so if we come back to here then, we have a console window here. If we get this, copy that, okay, and then we paste it into there, but we can get rid of that one. We can also get rid of one of these slashes each. We can get rid of that one. Okay, and then we go, oh bollocks. Give me a second, there we go. So, weak monster. So this is different from how we were running it earlier, because now we're running it from the point of which Lakeia would be running it. So let's just give it a fake account number and just a test name. Did it run that time? No, it didn't run. So it fails when it's being ran from here. And I might have an idea as to why. Hang on. I've figured it out. I've figured out why it's not running. Okay. Right. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. I've figured out. Okay. So, the problem. Now, I'll read Jeevius's message and I can say what the problem is. Yeah, it's hard. Do you have like common word for plumbers, masons, mechanics? What do you mean by like handiwork? We don't have anything in schools for them. You don't learn anything like that in school. Like we had some woodworking classes and stuff like that in high school, but honestly they were a bit naff. They didn't really teach us anything. It was just like, okay, go and make a pencil. Like we made a clock in my woodworking thing. It was like, and we didn't even have to make the mechanical parts. Just like, look, here's a box that'll do everything for you. Go cut a piece of wood to glue to it, and now you can say you've made a clock. Like Yeah, it's not the same. Yeah, you can get apprenticeships, but you can't start an apprenticeship until after you leave education. Actually, you might be able to do an apprenticeship from 16 now. I'm not sure. Yeah, don't quote me on that one. You might be able to start an apprenticeship from 16 in the UK. There we go. Yeah, Bladed's got it. Apprenticeships at college level, so you can start at 16 there. But yeah, so the problem with why it's not running when Lakeia is running this, and I'm going to use this from here. When we're running the battle simulator here, so if we run this exe, it is running it from this directory. So when it's looking to load the files, it's like, oh, in this directory, I need to go to the creatures folder. There's the creatures folder. It can open it. I need to go to the characters folder. It can open it. But when Lakeia is running it from this folder. So from this folder, the battle simulator is going, oh, I need to look for the creatures folder. Oh, wait a minute. There's no creatures folder. Shit, what do I do? Help for no! That's what's happening. That's why the battle simulator isn't working. Fuck. Okay, so, okay, that is not actually that difficult of a fix. God, that took way too long to figure out. I hope that makes sense to people. If it doesn't, let me know. I can re-explain it in a better way. But yeah, that's the problem there. Okay, so what we can do is, if we go here, and if we go here, we're going to want to make a change to this. So when we're loading things in, we want it to, because we're going to want to be able to test it in debug mode while we're not doing it like that, and then in release mode. So what we can do is we can pass in another argument from Lakeia for this. Right, okay. So, yep. So here, if we go here, we can add in a new argument. So we're going to want to go backslash. Oh, what did I do? Okay, let's put a space in there. Backslash paste. Backslash paste. And in here we can pass in for a new one. Okay, so tech school for us is 4 years if I recall correctly, and it's about 80% apprenticeships and 20% schooling, which includes maths, Danish, English and trade-specific subjects. See, that makes sense, especially the trade-specific subjects. We have nothing like this, and this is one of my biggest complaints with the education system, because we have nothing. We're taught to pass exams. So everything you do in school in Britain is learning how to pass an exam. You're not learning that subject. You're not learning how to do a job in the real world. You're just learning to pass an exam. And everything is focused around the exams, and none of it is actually set up to prepare you for the real world. So you have no idea how to do anything. Like university, I've had people tell me that university is preparing you for an academic side of IT, for example. It's like, okay, I get that, but then why do jobs in the industry expect you to have a degree to start working for them if university is not going to prepare you for that job? There we go. So this is one of the big problems, or one of the many big problems with the UK one. Anyway, so what we're going to do to fix this ion, we are taught to question and work together. See, that seems like a sensible thing to teach, as opposed to our bullshit. Anyway, so what we're going to do to fix this is we're going to pass in another argument to the battle simulator. Pardon me. And we'll get it to check. If it is a... if we pass in an argument that says Lakeia, it knows it's being ran from Lakeia. It needs to run from a different directory. If it is being ran differently, we need to say, right, okay, so we're going to say, Lakeia. So now, if we come to programs, string args, it wants to have at least 4 args. That is going to be args 1. That is going to be args 2. I am going to have to change some of my other build stuff, but I think this is it for now. I was only intending to lurk. No worries, Phoebus. Thank you so much for joining in. Oh boy, right, so now that we've done that, right. So when we make this, we're going to want to pass in args, not 1, we're going to want to pass in args 0. Right, okay. So when we do this, we want to pass in string caller. So if hang on, give me a second. Oh, hang on. Oh, I'm gonna have to change a few more things here, aren't I? Oh, but I really want to get this working on stream. Okay, right. We're going to, just so that I can get this working on stream, and then I will change this later on. Get rid of that for now. We're going to hard code these changes, and then I'll fix it up afterwards. So we'll go on applications, then battle simulator, and then creatures. So we'll go on to rename that, and then from there we're gonna want that. Now if we grab those, only shared about 500 words. That is very true. You are normally very active in these streams, although we do love having you around, buddy. If you all though, absolutely feel free. Do not feel like you have to stay here at all. Right, okay, so we're just going to quickly change all these, and then we'll have save problems too. So file path, do that. Okay, so save character data, load character data, load monsters by strength, load monster data. Okay, we'll do the same. Right, okay, so if we do that quickly. Battle manager, we've added that. Okay, so we'll go on quickly rebuild battle simulator. Oh, damn it. Where's that error? Get rid of that momentarily. Oops. Okay, build battle simulator. Right, are you ready, Bladed? If you're still there, no worries if you're not. But I think this should work now, in theory. In theory. Right, so we built battle simulator. Let's close that up for a minute. Let's build Lakeia. Hang on, do I need to? Yeah, I'm going to move out of this. Right, let's build Lakeia so that she has the new version. That, yep, do that. Now build. Oh no, wait. What was that? What was that error up there? Oh no, what? Oh, I know why. Do that. Right, let's try that again. Build. There we go. Right, okay. That's now using that. So if I go, hang on. Right, so run. Let her start, rebuild. Yeah, okay. Come here, applications. Get you to start loading that. You come here. Hasn't got. Okay, interesting. Now let's just make sure that it doesn't end up opening in the wrong place, so I don't give that away. There we go. Okay, that's fine. Yep, let's just check again with another text file. Yep, that's fine. Right, okay. Okay. I think, Bladed, if you want to hit it now, it might work. Fucking fingers crossed. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is actually going to be agonizing. Holy shit, I've never wanted to see a text file appear so much in my life. Oh. 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 Oh, no. 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 No, that's fair, Phoebius. It's still not worked. Oh, damn it. Okay, give us a sec. Let's, yeah, that's fair. Well, hang on. Oh. Did you see it when, I showed it earlier, Phoebius? Because it gives you an idea, at least. Now, let's just do this. Temporary Deem. Is it still exiting with the same error code? Because the thing is, Lakay's going to have to pick up these error codes. I don't know why she's not. Yeah, still error code 5, which is load error. Nope. Okay, right. Tell you what, I'll show it on stream then. If you give me a minute to undo those rapid changes I did, I'll show you... undo all of that. So that should be back to you. I'll show you it working from the command line. I'll briefly run it through. Save that. Close all that for a second. Build. Now ones, new ones. Oh well. So, if I build that, and then I'll come way back over here, build debug net. Okay, so the way this works, Jeevious, is this is a separate application that Lakay is going to call, and that's the problem we've been having problems with. But this application is going to basically have a load of text files, and these text files look like this. So it's got your name and your account number, and it basically stores your level, your XP, your health, and then some basic character stats. And you start at level 1. And to start off with, you'll have to train with Lakaya to get to level 5. And once you're at level 5, you'll be able to start fighting monsters. So, if I just buff myself a load here so that we don't die instantly. There we go. That's not how the level ups work, but it gives you an idea. You've got monsters like this. We need raids. Oh, what, to add into this? Oh, we will definitely be adding like raids and stuff like that. Like, that's a short while off, I will get the basic functionality in, but that is something I do have planned. But yeah, we have monsters like these. So these are the weak monsters that you can fight. So if you fight a weak monster, it chooses a random monster from the weak monster list, and the weak monsters are level 5 to 15. Like monsters which can only be defeated with multiple heroes. Yes, so I've got a few plans like that. So one of them will be boss battles, which will be like an ongoing thing for you guys to fight, like a single boss. And then I'm also planning one. This won't be for a short while because I want to get some extra assets for it. But I'm also planning on having it so that you guys can fight me, Lakaya, and Looping. And if you beat all three of us, then something will happen on stream. That's going to be a long while off, but I am planning on bringing stuff like that into it. For now, it's just going to be like basic building your character. So that's how all that works. But when Lakaya runs it, she'll run it from the command line. So you're going to have to give me a second to set this up. Boom, copy that. Put that back on the right scene. So we want battle simulator, because I fucking well spelled it wrong. .exe. make that one empty. Weak monster. I'm gonna need my account number. Give me a second. Characters, here we go. So 1068611102, and then stick my name in there. If I spell it right, Starry Scolia. Right, okay. So if you watch Devious, this is the thing, and in here you'll see while I run it, you'll see a text file pop up called battle results. So if I run this now, here we go, battle result, and you can see I had a fight. I had a fight with a hawk. I won, and I gained 45 XP. And if we go back to my character file, you can see I now have 45 XP. I also leveled up, and like my stats have been buffed a bit. I've toyed with this so your stats won't be like this at level 2, but it gives you an idea. If I close this and close this one, so we fought a hawk, and then I run it again, and then go back to the battle result, this time I fought a hyena, and I won again. I got more experience. Can you choose how you want to level up? No. It is completely random at the moment. I'm debating at making it so you can later, but we'll see. It comes down, because part of the problem is how to efficiently bring that in, because obviously you guys are a little limited in your input from Twitch chat. And it's also just kind of a daft mini game. So I'm not sure if I want to add that functionality or if I'll leave it as randomized, because at the end of the day your stats are how are the winning chances determined? So your stats start at level 1. You have 20 HP and you start with 9 of each of these. So these are just to store your stats at base. When you level up, you get 2 random ability points that are distributed between your strength, dex, and con, and your HP will increase by an amount between 1 and your con modifier. So these are your strength amounts. In fact, actually, I can show this better. If I go to Battle Simulator, I have creatures, monsters, monster stats. So this applies to everything. So your strength, dex, and con are divided by 3, and this gives you your strength modifier, your dex modifier, and your con modifier. So at level 1, your modifiers for all 3 abilities are +3. And so when you get into a fight, all it does is each round, it basically loops through a number of rounds, and each round you make a dex roll and the monster makes a dex roll. Whoever rolls higher on the dex roll hits the other person. And then when you hit the other person, it uses your strength modifier to calculate how much damage you do to that other person. And then your con modifier is used that when you level up, your con modifier can define how much extra health you get from that level up. But you can also deal critical hits. So if you roll a nat 20, so it's rolling a d20, a nat 20 will mean you deal a critical hit and you deal even more damage. And if you roll a nat 20 and the other person doesn't, it doesn't matter what they got on their dex roll, you've still hit them. So even if they technically roll higher, but you've got a nat 20, you will hit them anyway, and the same in reverse. Yeah, so dex is the main ability. You can argue that like dex is more important than the others, and yeah, you totally could. And that's one of the reasons why I'm kind of leaning on keeping it randomized, because I've not put in a lot of thought into the way the battles play. And the reason for that is it's a daft mini game. Like, I don't want to spend hours trying to like balance it out and stuff like that, because that thing takes a lot of time and effort to think of how it's balanced. So if it's all randomized in terms of your stats and that, it doesn't matter as much. Now, I am open to other people giving their opinions on that. Might I suggest a feature where you can reset your chart? Yes, you can. I have been considering that, and I wasn't sure how best to do it. Because I don't want people to be able to just like re-roll every time. But certainly offering something. So what I was thinking, at least for now, and this isn't a reset, as in back to level 1. Is that what you mean? I can do. Yeah, we can add that in. It is also worth noting, and this is very important to note, if you die while fighting a monster, you are reset back to level 5. So if I say we're in theory level 100, and I set my health real low just to make sure that I lose the next fight. And now if I run this again, and reopen this, you can see I've been reset back to level 5. But yeah, we can totally add a thing in where you reset to level 1. That's easy enough. That's very easy. You can do that on a command. So we can add that into backlog. Feel free to open a ticket on GitHub yourself if you want to do that, Jeevious. If not, I will do that later on. But it gives you an idea. The idea is that Lakeia will run this. You guys will be able to use a channel redeem and choose, say, a weak monster. Lakeia will run this. It'll run the fight, and then it'll output the results to the battle results. So you can see this time the Constrictor Snake run, I didn't get any experience. I actually got reset. But yeah. You may have bad RNG and end up with like 25 HP, 19. So no, you won't end up with 25 HP. Your HP increases every level. So that will always go up. You might in theory only roll 1 on each roll though, so bad RNG is possible. And you are right, that is entirely possible. So a reset should be possible. Yeah, we can add that in. I was also thinking, and I'm not set on this yet, but maybe adding a reroll, so you can re-roll all your ability points if you sacrifice a level. So if you say like you're level 10, you can sacrifice a level to go down to level 9, but it re-rolls all your abilities or something like that. I'm still thinking about it. Yeah, sorry, I haven't put a link to my GitHub. I will do that after this stream, because Bladed was asking about that earlier. So I will set Lakeia to have a GitHub link as well, because that should be pretty good. Do you want it to the GitHub, my GitHub profile, or do you want it to the project? Is the question. I'll figure that later out. That'll be pretty good as well. Yeah, so I'll look at thinking on that. I might not do it that way specifically, but I'll certainly think of doing something like that. But it gives you an idea. So the actual meat is there. It's just a case of getting it hooked up with Lakeia and getting it all working. But we'll get there. I've said I'm not streaming tomorrow night because I just want a break. So I can do a little more work on this then. And just like quietly work on it a little bit. And I'll slowly get it in. It's going to be a short while before this feature is deployed. But I am looking forward to it. I hope you guys get to have a bit of fun with it. It might be a bit of a rough mini game, but it's something you can invest your points in. You can build up your characters. Lakeia in the end will be able to print your character sheets to the chat by command if you want. You'll be able to fight monsters, you'll be able to fight bosses. It may or may not have other effects on the stream in the end. Like, there's extra things we can be building in, and I am looking forward to getting all that done. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys be able to play around with it a bit. Oh boy. With that said, I think I am going to leave it there for tonight because it's 9:45 and I'm going to have to tidy up a few bits before I end this anyway, so that'll be easier to do off stream. So I think it is time we draw this stream to a close. There we go. We'll just stop the music. Let's get a bit of fuel on the fire. Fuel. There we go. Get a bit of fuel on there. Thanks for the stream. Thank you very much for watching, viewers, and thank you to everyone else who's joined in as well. It has been a bit of a more chill stream, and there are fewer streams this week. I just need a bit of a break. With the house and everything going on, it's been pretty stressful, I won't lie. So it's just been slowing down a little bit while things go on. Once everything gets done, we'll start spurning back up again. But for now, things might be a little slow for the time being, just so that I can deal with these other things. Oh boy, I can get back to my network shenanigans. Ooh, hope it goes well. Anyway, anything else? So we'll be streaming on Friday, hopefully doing some Payday 3, but that depends if the Payday 3 servers are up. If not, we'll do something else. I am making it open lobby, so all of you are welcome to join. If we can't get Payday 3 working, we'll do some Age of Empires Definitive Edition. I think that's everything. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves, guys.